Hey everyone, Joe Luca here, your trusted realtor and the host of the Joe Luca Real Estate Show on WNRI. If you're thinking about selling your home today, I'm breaking down another one of the most important parts of the transaction, the closing process for sellers. Whether you're selling in Rhode Island, Massachusetts, or anywhere in the country, understanding what happens from offer accepted to keys handed over can save you time, stress, and potentially money. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more expert real estate guidance. Now, what does closing really mean? The closing process is the final stage of your home sale, the moment when home ownership officially transfers from you to the buyer. But before that happens, there are several steps behind the scenes that your real estate professional, yours truly, helps manage to ensure that everything stays on track. This is where having a knowledgeable, trustworthy realtor truly matters, because my job is to protect your interests, anticipate issues before they become problems, and guide you toward the best possible outcome. Now, once we accept an offer, here's what typically happens. The purchase and sales agreement. We finalize contract terms, price, contingencies, timelines, and then I review everything with you to make sure you understand exactly what you're agreeing to. Now, sometimes the offer comes in on a purchase contract, so one step is eliminated. After the purchase contract is executed by both parties, then a home inspection will be scheduled. This is usually done by the buyer, and I help you prepare, negotiate repairs if needed, and keep the deal moving forward. Next is the appraisal. If a buyer is financing the purchase, their lender will order an appraisal. My role is to ensure the appraiser has accurate information about your home's value and any upgrades you may have taken care of. Next, title work and attorney coordination. The closing attorney or the title company verifies ownership, checks for liens, and prepares the legal documents. I stay in constant communication so there are no surprises. Now, you might say, well, I paid my mortgage off years ago, so there are no liens against this house. You'd be surprised how often banks forget to discharge the mortgage. So if that's the case and it shows up that you still owe the bank money, we have to take care of that. And that's why we like to address these things as soon as possible so it doesn't pop up later in the process. Then we have the final walkthrough. This can be done 24 to 48 hours. I like to do it 1 hour before closing when I represent the buyers. This checks the home to make sure it's in the same agreed upon condition when they last saw it. I make sure everything is smooth and documented. That way, nothing is left to speculation or presumption. Then we go to the closing. This is the big moment. You sign the final documents, hand over the keys, and receive your proceeds. My goal is to make this day feel effortless and stress-free for you. Some common seller questions that I get all the time are, what do I need to bring to the closing? Basically, just a picture ID. If there's anything else required, I'll let you know. When do I get my money? In most cases, you receive your proceeds the same day or within 24 hours, depending upon the state, the municipality, and your closing attorney. If there are particular contingencies with the transaction, that may change when you receive your money. What if something goes wrong? That's exactly why you hire a seasoned realtor. I've been helping sellers since 2006, and I know how to navigate challenges before they become problems. Look, selling your home is a major financial decision, I know, and the closing process sometimes can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right guidance, preparation, and representation, you can move forward with your closing with confidence and clarity. So if you're thinking about selling, or you just want a trusted resource to walk you through the process, answer some questions, please reach out anytime. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be preparing to sell their home as well. I'm Joe Luca, committed to helping you achieve the best possible outcome for your real estate journey. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.